What's up guys, Marcel here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you on how you can set up your membership on your channel. So to do that, first we have to log into our YouTube account, then click on the channel icon or the profile picture on the right hand side, click YouTube Studio, and then on the left hand side you will see right here monetization, so you click on that, and if you can see right here there are tabs that says overview, memberships, and super. So we click on memberships and we can just click this one, explore next steps. So in here you have to set it up. So there are 4 stages, I think, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 stages. Once you've completed the 4 stages, then this gray button here that says turn on will become blue. So with that, we'll just click start, set up your membership offer. It says you can create a single membership level or offer multiple levels and prices. Have fun coming up with unique perks to reward members at each level. So we click start. So we have here, it's up to you how many levels you're gonna offer, but for now I'm just gonna do 3. So it's got tips here that you can read on once you are here. So there you go. So let's start with a named level 1. So level 1, level name is required. So let's just say appetizer, because this is a cooking channel. Appetizer. Monthly price, you set up the price. The choices are 25, 49, 79, and 99. Popular is 79. It used to be 49 actually, I think, if I'm not mistaken, with my other channel, but let's just say 49. And then you create the perk. Let's just say shout outs in videos. Let's just say exclusive gifs there. And then another one is connecting on social media, and let's just do another one, exclusive members only videos. So and then after that we'll just have to write the description if you have any. Others don't bother this one actually. We'll be featuring you or your comments on our videos. This one, exclusive gifts. Use our gifts during premiere or live stream. Connecting on our Facebook page or account. Get access to exclusive videos. And there you have it. And then let's proceed with level 2. We'll say here main. Price is 129. Create another perk. Promoting your channel. Description is we'll share your videos premieres, live streams to my community and social media. We'll share the link to my community tab and social media accounts. And then we go to level 3. That's dessert. Price is $5.99. Behind the scenes videos. And another one is rough cuts and bloopers. Create perk. Fixing monitoring live streams. And WH. So we just review on that one. So after reviewing, and if you are happy with what you've made with the perks, description and instructions that you've done there, if you're all happy with that, so let's just submit for review. Let's continue. It says here, your perks will be reviewed usually within 24 hours and will email you with the results. When everything looks good, you'll be able to publish your changes. So you have to tick the box. My membership offer, including my perks, does not and will not promote hate or violence, is not dangerous or illegal, and fully complies with the YouTube's channel memberships policy, terms of service, and community guidelines. Violations could result in strikes and or account termination. So we've read that one, we've agreed on that one by ticking the box. So we just click submit. So there you have it. It says 17% complete. Now we have to upload badges and emoji, and then we announce the membership. So before I do that, I'll just have to create my badges and emoji. Okay, so I have made my badges already, so I'm just going to upload them. Select image, number 1. Then after 1 month, I got 2, and then I got 3. Then I got 4. I got 5. Then I got 6. So there you have it. I'm just gonna click on next. And now I'll have to make my emojis. So we have our emojis already, so we just upload them. So shout out for that one. We select another one. Say yummy. Next is thumbs up, up. Next is stop. Alright, so there are 4 emojis initially, but if you have 2 more members being added, then you will have 5 emojis. So we save. So now we're on to step 3, announce your memberships. So create a video explaining why memberships are important to you and what's in it for your fans. This gets them excited about joining and can answer any questions that you think they may have. So we just click on start, upload unlisted video, select files, and there you have it. And then post to welcome new members. Say hello to your biggest fans. Create a few members only post in advance that fans will be able to see as soon as they join your channel. This post show up in the community tab of your channel page. The community tab is a great place to stay in touch with your members and deliver your perks. Okay, so create a community post. Let's just add an existing video on YouTube. So this one, we add this one. On board, and thanks for becoming our channel member. Cheers. So there you have it. That's how you do or set up our channel membership. So let me just go back to my monetization tab. Alright, so we've done that. That's done. That's done. And so that's turned on, and then let's see. Now let's just turn on. You're ready to start welcoming new members to your channel, so we just turned this on. So there you have it. So if we click this one, or if we are to view this one as a viewer, let's see how it looks like. So there you have it. There's the join button now. And there you go. So that's how it looks like. So there you have it. So that's how you create a join button or set up a membership on your channel. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.